Have you ever wondered what your ideal protein intake should be on a regular basis? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use a simple formula to calculate just that. Welcome back, and welcome if you're new to Wellness This Way. We're going to learn how to calculate your ideal protein intake using a simple formula. Protein is crucial for muscle repair, immune function, and overall health, so it is important to get the right amount. But before we dive into how to figure out how much protein you need, let me remind you to hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this. Hit that bell icon for future notifications. Okay, so the formula we're using is 1.2 to 1.6 grams multiplied by weight in kilograms. First, let's break down this formula. The numbers 1.2 and 1.6 represent the range of protein intake in grams per kilogram of body weight. The exact amount can depend on various factors like your activity level, your age, and your fitness goals. Here's how you can calculate it step by step. First, determine your weight in kilograms. If you know your weight in pounds, you can convert it to kilograms by dividing it by 2.2. So let's use the example 150 pounds. Divide 150 by 2.2, which equals approximately 68 kilograms. Then choose your protein range. Decide if you need a lower amount of protein like 1.2 grams per kilogram or a higher amount like 1.6 grams per kilogram. This choice depends on your personal needs and goals. So for instance, a competitive athlete would have higher protein needs and would use the higher end of the range between 1.4 and 1.6, and more than likely 1.6. Someone who occasionally works out would use 1.4. And if you are someone with weight loss goals, maintaining muscle mass while dropping weight is necessary for body composition, and the ideal range would be 1.2 to 1.4. So multiply your weight by the chosen number. Let's use our example. If you weigh 68 kilograms and decide on the higher range of 1.6 grams per kilogram, you would calculate 68 by 1.6. That equals 108.8 grams of protein per day. If you choose the lower range of 1.2 grams per kilogram, you would calculate 68 by 1.2, which equals 81.6 grams of protein per day. So if you weigh 68 kilograms, your daily protein needs would be between 81.6 and 108 grams, depending on your protein target. And there you have it. Using this formula, you can easily figure out how much protein you should aim to consume daily. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare provider to tailor these recommendations to your specific needs. And if you have any questions for me, put them in the comment section below. Thanks for joining us today, and if you found this information helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. I'll see you next time.